name is Maria Elisa, and today we will read the book The Wolf and the Seven Little Kids. One day, Mother Goat had to go and fetch some food, and for the first time left her 7 little kids alone. When I return, I'll put my hoof under the door. Meanwhile, don't open the door to anyone, she said. As she went away, the youngest kid said, "How will we know it's the wolf?" "The wolf has hoarse voice and brown paws. It's easy to recognize him," she said. While the kids were playing, someone knocked on the door. "Who is it?" they said. "It's me, Mom. Please open the door," answered a horrible, hoarse, rough voice. "Don't try to fool us. You're the wolf." The little kids continued playing while the evil wolf went away furious. "I'll never fool those little kids. What can I do?" Suddenly, he had an idea. He went to the nearest hen house and stole several eggs to clear his voice. Then he returned to the kids' house and knocked on the door again. "Who is it?" they said. "It's me, Mom. Open the door," answered the wolf in a very sweet voice. The little kids, who were not very sure, remembered what their mom had told them and asked the wolf to show his paw under the door. What a shock the kids got when they saw the fierce wolf's brown paw. "What's the matter with the wolf?" said the squirrels. Seeing the terrible animal furious and howling, coated his paws in the flour. The wolf knocked on the door again. "Who is it?" asked the kids. "It's me, Mom. Please open the door. And if you want, I'll show you my hoof under the door." The kids saw a white paw and, believing it to be their mother, ran to open the door. But what a surprise! It was the wolf, who was coming ready to eat them up. They all ran out as the wolf licked his lips. Yum! And so, starving with hunger, he ate them all up, one after the other. All of them? Well, not all of them, as the youngest managed to escape. How upset Mother Goat was when she came back home and saw what had happened. The chairs upside down, the curtains torn. She called all the kids one by one, until a little voice came from the clock. It was the youngest in tears, who told her what had happened. They went to find the wolf, who was having a nap. Mother Goat opened up the wolf's belly and took out all her kids safe and sound, as the wolf had swallowed them whole. When the wolf woke up, he felt so ill that he never tried to eat the little kids again. The end. So now, I would like to ask you some questions. How many little kids were there? Were there 2, were there 5, or were there 7? And who was the bad guy in the story? Was it a frog? Or was it an elephant? Or was it a wolf? And where did the mother go? Do you remember?